Pyrus and Crips all got along. They probably gun me down by the end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear ya, 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 ya.
Man down, where you from, nigga? Fuck who you know, where you from, my nigga? Where your grandma stay, my nigga? This Mac City, I run, my nigga.
Brace yourself, I take you on a trip down memory lane. This is not a rapper, I'm slinging crack or moon cocaine. This is cul-de-sac and plenty cognac and major pain. Not the drill sergeant, but the stress that weighing on your brain. It was me, El Boogie, yeah, Raji Lucky, ride down Rose Musica, ugly, waving your hand out the window, check yourself,
Look at this mess, I concentrate, you tell you got it done.
I say we up on the level up, my name is Neymar. And you know I'm the number one, there is no competition. I can jump and you can listen, I'm a given, you can listen, I'm a given, you can listen. I'm on 10 like man, even better than them, yeah. I done this fucking suck a German cause stand. But then I die, something that my focus ain't joking. Yeah, you get it wrong, cause my focus is so strong.
Concentrate, you tell you got it wrong.
Go off on them.